DankWheelie, what you about to do?
DankWheelie.
Conscious.
First day back in Florida.
Unfortunately,
what a success. What is going on, Dank fam? It's your boy Mike Diesel, and we are back in Florida. We got the bike built last night. Only a couple hours to go ahead and tear the stock frame off and swap it out to this beautiful steel frame. Big shout outs to Badass Industries for getting this frame out to me ASAP. Big shout outs to Mako Metal Finishing out in Pennsylvania, guys. I was out there on the fly and this guy picked my frame up and dropped it back off to me, this beautifully powder coated, within 23 hours. So if you guys are out there, hit up Mako Metal Finishing. Dude did a killer job. Thank you again. I went to the Pasco lot because it's way better than this lot, which, if you guys remember the FedEx lot, these guys got semi trucks all of a sudden. They're balling out. They were humble balling with the vans and stuff. Now they got like a whole enterprise going on out here.
Nobody started riding, so they brought the trucks out.
Dude, there's so many weekends I missed though. It's not up to me to keep the stunning attendance up. You guys need to be out here every weekend, even though I'm not here. That's the usual pad that we ride at, but there's like a brand new Mustang and a semi and some other cars, so we're gonna have to kind of like ride in between everything else. But figured I'd do a little vlog, and this is literally the first time I'm riding the bike since I put it back together, so we'll see if anything's clapped out on it, but I think we did a pretty solid job. Big shout out to my boy Mike for helping me out too. Look at that purr, boy. Oh.
I'm glad you decided to ride with us peasants.
Look at, I'm the peasant. Look at what you guys did to the lot.
It's because you didn't come ride with us.
This is what you did to me? My boys couldn't hold the lot down. What? Poppin' tags. Shout out to Volta with the fresh Paisleys. Woo! All right, let's get some riding in, people. All right, so make sure she doesn't fall apart. Wow, the bike doesn't feel much different weight-wise, just already like having the steel frame on. Apparently a steel frame adds about 5 to 10 pounds more weight to your bike. But this badass steel frame is like probably the most tried and true frame that people run, so I'm confident it's gonna not change my riding at all, besides make the bike super strong, which we all know I need. Alright, we're just doing brake checks, making sure everything's solid. Yeah, I'll get down to it. People will start getting some heavy breathing going on. Yeah, this lot sucks, but I love this crappy little lot. Wow, bike's riding a lot better than you think it would after tearing it apart for a couple hours. It sounds a little bit different though. I don't know what it is, but the power still feels the same. I think it's just the fact that the frame has holes in it with the tubing, so you can hear the bike a lot more. What's up, dude? Oh wow, people, right back to where we left off with a not broken frame. It's for 30 right foot, baby. We out here. Let's see it, boy. My man 62, 63 out here. 12 o'clocking on that ass. Oh! Who's 62 out here busting 12? And he's swerving on him. Woo! Into the grass, my guy is a savage. Hey, Mr. Frank, what's up, baby? What's happening, bro? Yes, sir. Look at your seats. Are those more comfy than the stock ones? Man, look at your... Dang, man, you've been working on this thing. Yeah, so last parking lot we were at got swarmed by like 5 cops, and he was like power hungry for sure. Alright guys, I wasn't talking because I was focusing on the bike, but she's running A1. A couple things here and there, but oh, I love this bike. Betty White is back in service, people. Leave a like, share the video, tell your friends, tell your neighbors, tell somebody. I wanted to show you guys my favorite part of this rebuild. So my boy Mike had to take the subframe off, but this one bolt was not having it, so we actually welded the socket into it. So I'm gonna go ahead and order a new bolt, but look at that beautiful thing. I think it looks pretty awesome. Do session number 2. So some of you guys are probably wondering, why did I say that I'm traveling and then a month and a half, 2 months later, I'm back in Florida? Well, I am, and this is just really honestly one of my other stops. So November 16th, I'll be doing the Florida Motovlogger Meet, which is something I'm really, really proud to be a part of, guys. Blockhead Moto is one of the biggest hosts of it, and he goes ahead and set it up the first year. So this is the second year that we're doing the FL Moto Meet, 2019 now, and I'll be doing stunt shows there. I've been to some Cali Motovlog meets, a couple other cities and states, but I'm super proud of this meet, guys. This will be the second year in a row that we're setting up the meet, and first turnout was crazy, like looked like some Sturgis. So if you guys are in the area, head out to Orlando November 16th, and I'll be doing some wheelies at the stunt shows all night with some Harley boys. I'll tag their Insta now. Woo! Let's get back to wheelies. Some of them no-handers. FYI riders, you might not want to watch this. Got the idle nice and hardy high. The higher the idle, easier no-hander. Woo! Easy as butter when you got a Cali with power. Oh, he knows me and he's still getting close. I forgot how hot it is in Florida. Now I remember why I don't talk much. I'm dying of heat stroke.
Alright, dirty right foot, let's get that redemption. Ooh, still swerving on him. The swerve don't stop, people. Hey, out here. 61 years old, correction. 62 in January. Woo! What is that?
today's video. I had a very thorough test session, making sure this bike is solid and ready for whatever I throw at it. Literally, even like semi trucks and stuff. Anyways, I hope to see you guys out at Ace Cafe November 16th. I'll be doing stunt shows. We're gonna have Betty White super dialed. I see all kinds of bent stuff still on her, so we're gonna get all that taken care of. But other than that, if you guys did enjoy the video, feel free to like, comment, subscribe. Check out the Patreon if you want to see behind the scenes content. Like always, keep it dank. Later, wherever that camera's at.
It's good to finally let go. I ain't worried about a thing. I just like to keep it mellow. Yeah, I like to keep it mellow. I smoke and keep it mellow. I drink